Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 randomly restarting. First, stop Windows from restarting automatically so you can see the real error. Press Win plus R on your keyboard, type sysdm.cpl, and press Enter. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Startup and Recovery, click Settings. Uncheck Automatically Restart, then click OK. Next, update your GPU drivers. Old or broken drivers can cause crashes and restarts. Go to the official website of your graphics card brand, like NVIDIA or AMD. Download the latest driver for your system, install it, and restart your PC. If the problem started after a recent update, then remove that update. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, then click Update History. Select Uninstall Updates and remove the latest one. Restart your PC. You can also use System Restore to go back to a time when your system was working fine. Sometimes the issue is hardware related. You should check your RAM and hard drive. Search for Windows Memory Diagnostic and run it to test your RAM. For your hard drive, open Command Prompt as administrator, type chkdsk /F and press Enter. Restart your PC to begin the scan. After following these steps, your system should become more stable and stop restarting randomly. Thanks for watching.